My friend's house. His name is Iqbal Chaudhry in North Carolina. He's going to show us how he collects the rainwater to give water to his plants in his house. Okay.
Yeah, so we have this rain collecting system. It has about 4 or 5 components. So I'm going to go through these different components. First of all is this downspout coming down here, and a filter is used so that leaves or other debris doesn't go into the system. So this is a filter here. Only clean water can go through this one. The second part of this is the first flush system, because when rain starts, the water is not very clean, it's dirty. So we have to divert it to this side so that it doesn't go into the tank.
Okay.
So for that we have this diverter. Basically water goes in, and when it fills up, only then it goes into the tank.
Okay.
That is the purpose of this diverter.
Okay.
And this is to keep water clean in the
Okay.
tank.
So this is the tank?
Yeah. So
Okay.
this is the tank. It's a 100 kilo, what you call it?
Gallons?
No, liter, sorry.
Okay.
No, 1,000 liter.
Okay.
1,000 liter. And so this fills the water into this, and then when we need more than more water, then we can add more containers.
Okay.
For example, the second container is there.
Okay.
That has similar system: downspout, diverter, water filter, just like this one. It's identically done over there. So the water from both of them is connected together through a pipe.
I see.
This white pipe, and then this pipe is also taken to another side behind this shed, and we have 4 more containers there.
So you have 4 more tanks to collect the water.
Collect the water. So
Yeah.
total is 6 of them.
Okay. So from here, how do you take it to your garden?
Yeah. So once we collect it, then we have a system here. It's a pump.
Okay.
It's a small pump which takes water from the
Tank.
container tank, and then it can be diverted or taken to different sites. For example, this pipe is for the local area. Then we have another pipe which goes to the other garden. You can see over there that garden, which is a little far, but that pipe has gone underground. So this is how we pump it, and the pump is it can be controlled by app actually, by watch. Or
By your watch,
by
okay.
the phone, iPhone or the other phone. So this turns on and then water is pushed on. In the beginning we did not have this pump, only gravity was used. That's why the height was high, kept high.
Yeah.
So that gravity can work. It works okay, but water flow was very slow.
Okay.
So
How do you know how much water is in your tank? That stick over
yeah,
there?
So we have you can call it a level indicator.
Uh-huh.
For example, this when water is used, it goes down, and now it is full. Our tanks are full because of the recent rain.
Yeah.
But as water is used, it goes down, and when this is all the way down, it means it's empty.
Okay. That's
Thank
our
you so
storage tanks. So from those 2 tanks, you bring the water through the pipe into these tanks.
Yeah.
Okay.
So water, as I said before, water comes underground. There's a pipe from that tank to this one, and then it goes into this one. So they fill same time.
Same time, yeah.
simultaneously. As we use them, the water level goes down. For example,
Let me see the water level.
This is full because of recent rain.
Yeah.
It is all the way full now.
I see.
One other thing is that this is overflow.
I see.
Although it seems like it is not needed, but in the beginning we thought we might need it. So because this is higher than this one.
So the water level rises, it comes out from there.
Actually, it comes out from the other one. That's what we found out. This is not really functional. It doesn't work. Doesn't need it. Actually, we don't need it. Yeah. The only other thing I would like to show is that there's a drain here, And this drain is again, this is from same pipe, and in winter we have to drain it.
I see.
Otherwise,
They'll freeze up.
It can freeze, and it can crack the pipes.
So basically, for these tanks, each one has like 1,000 gallon, roughly.
Actually, I think
Yeah, 1,000 gallon is written there. About here.
Oh, I don't know. No, it's a liter actually.
1,000 liters, I see.
Yeah, 225 gallon.
225 gallon, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So
225 gallon.
each.
Each, yeah. So we have 6 of them.
Yeah.
So that's like 1,250 or about 1,500.
That's a lot of water.
Yeah, a lot of water. Yeah.
And then you give water to your plants through this.
Yeah.
What a nice thing you made at your home. Iqbal Chaudhary is an engineer by profession, so he did this all his own, and it's really incredible. Thank you very much for showing us all today.